Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishu, and in today's video, I'll be discussing about some of the ways with which you can detox your kidneys. Well, removal of toxins is really important from the body in order to live a healthy life. And as you know that kidneys are one of the most important organs of our body that are responsible to filter the blood and to remove the toxins, waste products and excess fluid from the body. So in order to live a healthy life, in order to maintain your health, you must take care of your kidneys and your urinary system as well. So here are some ways with which you can detox your kidneys and cleanse it naturally. So number first is stay hydrated. You need to drink plenty of water, as staying hydrated will help you flush out toxins from your kidneys and will reduce the stress that is caused on your kidneys. So you should aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. And you can adjust your water needs according to your activity levels and your health condition. Number second is you need to limit your sodium intake, as excessive sodium may increase your blood pressure, which causes negative effect on your kidneys, and it also causes your kidneys to retain water, which as a result causes stress to your kidneys. So excessive sodium intake causes so much harm to your kidneys, and it is not at all good for your kidneys' health. So if you want to reduce your sodium intake, you need to limit or avoid all the processed food from your diet. Next, number third is you need to limit your protein and phosphorus too, as excessive protein and phosphorus in your diet can cause strain to your kidneys. So you can stick to lean proteins such as fish, or you can go for plant-based protein options. Also, you need to avoid foods that are high in phosphorus, as it causes harm to your kidneys. Next thing you can do is you need to eat a kidney-friendly diet. So instead of eating processed packaged foods, you can opt for options like fresh fruits and vegetables like your cranberries, your blueberries, raspberries, all kinds of berries, apples, and also your green leafy vegetables. So these are rich in antioxidants and they contain essential vitamins and minerals that boost your kidneys functioning and your kidneys health too. Next thing you need to do is you need to stop smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as smoking and excessive alcohol intake leads to serious health conditions like your diabetes, hypertension, and as you know that these two are the leading causes of your chronic kidney disease, that is your CKD. So you need to stop these habits right now. So another effective way to detox your kidneys is you can try herbal teas. As you know that herbal teas have been used since ancient times due to its medicinal properties. It helps to control your weight to full body detox, as it is also rich in antioxidants too. So it is really beneficial for your kidneys. So you can go for herbal teas options like dandelion root tea, as it contains diuretic properties which helps to flush out the toxins from your kidneys and also cleanses your kidneys. So these are some of the effective ways which will detox and cleanse your kidneys and will promote your kidneys health and functioning too. Thank you.